is a blender interface. Lead the cube and shift 8 press a polygon. Use 2 8 vertices. I use 6 vertices and right click and roll out. Shift S to press scale down to y-axis and use the circle. Use the add the modifier. Modifier is the subdivision solidify modifier and thickness is 0.16 centimeter. Press E and decrease the level and maintain y-axis and x-axis too. Okay. This is a perfect shape, but I will handle the another surface. Add the array modifier and attach to the collision constant offset. Relative offset 0 and distance 0.905. See, this is the result. Select the other modifier. Constant offset y-axis. Maintain sound. Maintain the y-axis. The distance 0. Maintain the x and y axis. This is perfect, but some glitches are here. Use the merge in array modifier. Distance 0 point some number. Yeah, this is a perfect step. See the whole area. Manage the inner vertices y axis to x axis. Press S to maintain vertices and roll out. See the whole situation. Another modifier, choose content offset and distance x-axis in 3.616. Count is 4. Don't use relative offset. Perfect distance to choose and roll 90 degree. Shift A to make a curved circle and adjust the front view. Rotate in 90 degree and scale it. You make this type circle. This panel to resolution 200 resolution. Select the curve and select the object to curve circle, and then this effect found. Increase the array modifier in count 4 to 10 and adjust the curve circle. Select the curve circle and adjust. Press S to scale down and merge position to scale. This is a perfect ring shape, but some problems are found in ring. Select the whole ring and make a thickness 0-0.74. Don't use shadow. You can see the perfect situation. Another use the add modifier is subdivision. You can see this effect, but I have not done this effect, so I delete this effect. I adjust some different done this effect, so I delete this effect. I adjust some different type of polygons. Use in normal in 30°. This is disappear. I decrease the level of. I delete this subdivision and array modifier is increased. I increase the array modifier count. See this effect. Only new. I found the new items, but I make a ring. Shift S and scale down to y-axis. See this ring. I save as 2. In EV, I bloom this rendering and color. I use the golden color in render effect and turn angle to increase to 90° and straighten to 30. Bloom effect, perfect bloom. You should your own color and environment color is black. Press tab to edit modifier and shift A and use the diamond, brilliant diamond, and scale down. Press the S button to scale down. Use the perfect position of the diamond and then see the whole diamond is attached. Select the diamond and use color. Assign this color and I use the glass effect. Roughness is down and use the CPU. Then see the effect in render position. Roughness is minimum to minimum down. Roughness is use minimum and I use the color blue. Use to blue color. Then see this, increase the environment color to light, set the spatial and roughness and many more things to adjust. Use the controller. I use the controller and fill up the area. Select the whole area and scale down. Maintain this level. Select the whole area and scale down. I adjust the situation. See the result. I use the color is golden, black, dark golden. Use the metallic and use the minimum roughness. Adjust the color. See this result. I make some experiment on this. Don't do this experiment like this. I use simple color like sharp golden. Then I remove and decrease the metallic, increase the angle of sun angle and sun position to make some shining. Sharpness is very too much. Sharpness is too much. I am trying to the sharpness low. Use this type of sharpness. Upper is more sharp and lower is down sharp, like this. This is too much to outer. Maintain this outer surface like this. See this. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a perfect ring, but one thing I use, save this ring and I use the ring position to circle for inner interface. Use count the 32 to 36. Reduce the object. I use the 36. Select the circle. If you not see the amount, you can select the wireframe mode and scale down to perfect object position. Press Ctrl E to scale down and press tab double A and select and Ctrl E to press to adjust, G to smooth and adjust. Select the whole area. Scale to this position. Use the modifier, add modifier and use the subdivision modifier and smooth. Press Shift E and scaling it sharp area for the sharp area and scale the subdivision modifier. Some glitches, some glitches over there. So I use and see the another. Oh, some mistake over there. I use the sharpness low down and select and maintain this layer. See the result in render. This is my first tutorial for the ring. I make some video to perfect and my voice and my rendering and tutorial to posting. Maintaining the roughness and detailed in this is not a perfect. I remove this color and roughness too. Save and use the plane surface. Scale it and down. Select the ring and scale the surface. Select the ring and press R and down the ring to surface area. Select the plane and close to the ring. Select the whole ring and shift D to duplicate it. Select the duplicated ring, and down the all type of modifier and select the ring and match the surface area like one ring on another ring like this. See, these are not glitches over there. Some glitches here. I down the ring y-axis, maintain the ring position axis to y-axis, and on the add modifier all modifier I change the color of the ring another ring. I use the like pink color. Change the surface area, add the surface area color, adds perfect for you. Use the angle, you found the best angle for your ring position, and use the camera. Press the shift button and press the shift button. Use the search bar, type the ALI and select the camera view in your position. To select camera object as well as select the camera and down the focus length, adjust the focus length. This is a very dark. I use the sunlight to adjust, shift D to duplicate sunlight and adjust the area. I use the environment and down, and sunlight is down too. You can see this process and learn better to better understand how to work Blender software. I'm matching the surface area to environment area color, but I use the surface area in object to plane edit mode to increase the wall. This is better for the matching the both color. Select the area, press Ctrl B to increase and smooth like this, but shining very too much. I add this modifier subdivision and roughness down and increase the roughness 0.5 and adjust the color. You want to choose own color. This is suitable, but I use some effective color like Amazon or Flipkart type. You should playing the all keys like roughness, textual and metallic. Adjust the camera length. I remove this wave texture, adjust the roughness. I delete the blue color in ring. Use the diamond color is different. Select the new and delete the principles modifier. Use the glass modifier, glass PSDF, and adjust the glass roughness and IUR and change the color red, pink or green. But I use the this is perfect. You can should change the color and maintain. Set the camera angle and adjust this angle like this. Your ring